Now here's the ultimate C1. This is a 62 Fuelie, original Fuelie. Just beautiful. NCRS National Regional Chapter Top Flight Awards, Bloomington Gold, Triple Diamond, Chicago. Oh my gosh. I'm not thrilled with the chrome. Got some pitting going up there. Kind of surprising when you hear all that. Manual transmission. Now, but remember, this is a Fuelie. You got the hardtop. This is a real nice Corvette. Real nice C1. Again, 1962. 4-speed, fuel injected. Nice place to live, isn't it? I would never kick this out of my garage. How about you? They're asking $115. Again, for a 62 fuel injection. What do you think, folks? How about a 66 with a 427, 425 horsepower? This is original paint, original interior, original engine, transmission, rear glass. It's got a close ratio of 4-speed, the L72 under the hood. 308 rear. It has a heavy-duty suspension, tinted shield, knockoffs, telescopic. I love the knockoffs. They are cool. It says 127 on the clock. See all original. He's picked up a lot of awards. May I open the door? Thank you. That's beautiful. Closes with authority. That is nice. It's got all the paperwork. Bought at H&K Motor Sales in Continental, Ohio for $45.82. This is just remarkable. Just remarkable. Asking $115. Let's continue shopping, shall we? How about the 67 then? Nice convertible, 427, side pipes, numbers matching, power brakes, looks like manual steering, no, power steering. Power brakes, of course, side exhaust. Marina blue with white. I like this white interior. Marina blue is just such a classic color for a Corvette. Very nice example. Asking $125. How about this sweet little 427, 1969 with a 427. Lids open. Nope. Paint has some chipping on it. Looks like a repaint. Yeah, definitely. Could be a repaint. I've got bubbling coming through. That's a lot of dirt in the paint. I don't understand, why would you paint a car and allow the dirt to get in there? It just drives me crazy. It's got nice T-tops, of course. It's a 390 horsepower, asking 46. Oh, the one thing which I don't know, if it's manual or automatic. Let's check it out. Again, they're asking 46, black interior, manual transmission. Okay. Again, asking 46.